Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is NZDUSD FOREX. So today guys, we're going to be doing an analysis on NZDUSD. Okay, we're going to be doing a very quick one on NZDUSD. So guys, I start on the higher time frame to do my analysis. So this is going to be more like a top-down analysis. So I want to be giving you a very big picture of where the market is coming from and where it's going to, and the NZD. So to enable you make maximum decisions and also make maximum profits. Of course, that's the goal, right? To make money. So on the monthly time frame, guys, we have we have uh, we have an uptrend, guys. This market was coming from here, and mind you guys, this is the charts on the MT4. So this is what we have. We have price from 29th April 2022. So maybe on the trading view it will be different, but from what we have, guys, so I'm doing this analysis from the data we have on the MT4. So we saw price coming all the way from down here to up here, down here, grabbing liquidity at this zone, going up. So we had a break of structure, meaning we have an uptrend. So markets, the price came down, and since then, guys, we've not been able to break this low. We've not been able to break this low, guys, which means that we are still on uptrend, but then all these are internal structures. This downward trend are all internal structures between this low and this high market made. Alright, so knowing that, basically right now the market is on a downtrend. So with this move to the downside and with this double bottom price made at this level, we know that double bottom signifies a buy movement, a trend reversal, which means NZDUSD might be reversing to the upside, which is the main direction of the trend, which is the upward trend, right? So with that being said, guys, let's go to the weekly time frame. So in our weekly time frame, we can see price giving us this move to the downward side, and now we're here, and with this our trend line, it shows that we are on a downtrend, right? So guys, another weekly time frame, guys, you can see the price is giving us lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, but price has failed to break this level. Yes, this level, guys, price has failed to break this second bottom that price gave to us. Price failed to break this second bottom. Now this was the high that made this low, which means all these are internal structure, guys. If you really want to know what I mean by internal structures and main structures of the market, just keep following me on this channel, okay? I have a lot of things to disclose to you guys about the market. You're gonna learn a lot from this channel, I promise you. Alright, with that being said, guys, all these are internal structures to this high and to this low. Okay, so Once price came and tapped on the zone, it started painting lower lows again, and lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs, lower lows. And internally, guys, price changed character to bullish. Let's flip to the daily time frame. So guys, this is our daily time frame. We can see the price gave us, after this low, price gave us a high, a pullback, a high, a pullback, tapped into that zone, this blue zone right here, right, and just failed to break past it. Where we go backwards, guys, we can see that price has failed to break this zone multiple times. They tapped into it, they couldn't break past, they tapped into it, they couldn't break past, they tapped into it, they couldn't break past, price tapped into it again for the fourth or the fifth time and they couldn't get past it. That makes a very strong resistance zone. And what do we say about resistance zone that have been touched multiple times? Basically, any zone that's been touched multiple times is eventually a weak zone and can be broken anytime soon, right? So guys, I want to show you something on the weekly time frame. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, guys, we had this downward trend, right? We tapped here once, twice, 3 times, and the 4th time we broke trend line, right? A break of trend line, guys, is not a change of character. No, a break of trend line basically isn't a change of character. Trend lines are just there to give us, or to let me say, to guide us on the trend direction of the market, right? Most time trend lines are respected, like it's respected this trend as a resistance level, right? But then we broke past it. Does not mean that you just come and start putting buys immediately. Okay, I say it again. Break of trend line is not basically a change of character. It's not basically a choke. No, it isn't. So there's high previously, there was a tap on that zone before this second bottom that tapped again and couldn't get past. Now came here. Now we are tapping on this internal structure resistance level, right? And that's where we basically are at right now. So before we do anything about saying that okay, we can go start buying, we want to see price break the zone. Okay, we can buy all the way to the zone. Once price breaks there again, then we can buy all the way to the zone. But for now, guys, this is a weekly time frame, and this movement can happen in months, in even years. But then I just want us to foresee the future, right? Foresee the future with me on NZDUSD, so that you know what you're doing. Most times people open their charts, they don't even know how to analyze. At least with these, I know your eyes have been opened, right? So on the daily time frame, as we were saying, on our daily time frame, guys, price printed the low, the high, the pullback, the high, the pullback before we tapped into the zone. And even if we use the trend line, guys, we can see the price is on an uptrend. Is on an uptrend. English. Price is on an uptrend, right? Yes. So I'm gonna be removing the trend line. So basically on the 4 hour, remember price is on an uptrend, price is bullish, but the overall trend from the weekly is saying bearish, right? So on the 4 hour, you can see that pullback on the daily that gave us this high, right? So price internally broke, changed character, and is on the bullish mode. Now we can see price tapping into the zone. Guys, this was previously a supply zone on the 4 hour that became a demand zone, right? And price has tapped on that particular zone again, giving us a possible double bottom. It has tapped twice. This was the first. Price came, tapped, broke, went up to that zone, came down, tapped. It's like tapping twice recently, right? So basically, guys, we've changed character to a downward trend. Now we are stopped at the zone. The only thing I can tell you to do on this price movement is you have to wait for price to break this zone on the 4 hour. Once the 4 hour candle breaks the zone, guys, you wait for retracement and sell all the way to the zone. Okay, we want to see price break this zone and come all the way to the zone to gather momentum to push price upwards, maybe subsequently breaking this blue zone right here. Okay, hope you're understanding what I'm saying, guys. This is a bullish move, right? But then we are on a downtrend on the weekly. Okay, so we want to follow this bullish trend, but then on the 4 hour, price is selling. So in order to continue with the sell, we want to break the zone and sell to the zone, and most probably grab liquidity here and push price upwards to break the zone and go upwards. Okay, so that's my analysis, guys, on NZDUSD. We're on a bullish move. We want to see price tap into the zone, get a momentum to break past the zone and move to the zone. Maybe price breaks here, then we'll move to the zone. Okay, so guys, if you're wondering where this horizontal lines on my chart, if you're wondering what they are, okay, they are mostly my TP levels, alright, in my psychological levels of this particular chart. And if you're wondering what this rectangular objects are, don't worry, guys, don't worry. Just basically they are what I use for my analysis. Okay, so just focus on the candlesticks. Forget about this. These are my analytic methods to the market. So guys, if you love what I just showed you guys, do also subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting more videos, guys, I'll be doing more videos on different currency pairs. I'll be doing on BTC, USD. I'll be doing on gold. Okay, so if you love what I just showed you, do well to subscribe. And guys, trading on the small time frame, I don't tell you not to trade on the small time frame, but always have a backup from the higher time frames. Higher time frames are what tells you what to do, so you don't end up breaking a leg, but then break a leg anyways. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.